Let's consider a scenario. You're an established freelancer. You've spent years honing your craft, adapting to new trends and technologies, and building a solid reputation. You've navigated the complex world of online networking, established valuable connections, and found your niche. The journey has been challenging, but the rewards are undeniable. Despite the unpredictable nature of the freelance market, you've developed a well-rounded skill set that allows you to thrive in any situation. Your ability to manage your time effectively and communicate clearly with clients has set you apart from the competition. You've learned how to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving industry, and you're continuously seeking opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time. You have the power to choose your clients and projects, and the ability to control your income. You're not just a freelancer, you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, and a visionary. You're a testament to the possibilities and opportunities that freelancing can offer. You're living proof that with dedication, perseverance, and a passion for learning, anyone can succeed in the freelance industry. As we look to the future, it's clear that freelancing isn't just a trend, it's a movement. It's a lifestyle choice that offers flexibility, independence, and endless opportunities for growth. It's a career path that encourages creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. But remember, success in freelancing doesn't come overnight. It requires hard work, determination, and a willingness to continuously evolve with the times. It demands a commitment to learning, networking, and self-improvement. So, are you ready to embrace the future of freelancing? Are you prepared to take control of your career and define your own path to success? The digital revolution is here, and it's time to seize the opportunities it presents. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day. Connect with like-minded professionals, embrace the freedom and flexibility that freelancing offers, and most importantly, never stop dreaming, because the future of freelancing is in your hands.